morning guys, hope you are all well. So it's a December day today, cold December day, and we've had our little gas burner on in the workshop just to keep Jason and myself warm. Nice easy job for us this morning, and that's on this 2025 Bürstner B66. So this B66 is what I call a slide door conversion. It's professionally converted into a camper motorhome. You can sleep, you can shower, you can toilet in here, so therefore you could effectively live in it. Now, this customer is local to us and will be coming to us for quite a few other things, but really and desperately needed to get some parking sensors in before their road trip that is imminent. Now, the parking sensors on this particular vehicle are rear only. You've probably seen a lot of our videos, and on a lot of our videos we have done front and rear parking sensors. But on all of these Ducato 7 and Ducato 8 vehicles, the bumper is not color coded, it's matte black, which means that we don't need to go down to the body shop and get these painted, and the bumper ties in, or the sensors tie in nicely with the bumper. So as part of the process, as you'll see during the video, bumper comes off, goes on the trestle. We then use a hole saw to cut and cleanly make the hole for the parking sensors. We then run the cabling along the bottom or the back of the crash bar and up into the vehicle, where we pick up a ground and a reverse light trigger from the rear light cluster. At the same time, we tidy up all of the cabling, fit the actual module or the ECU, and then we fit the buzzer as well. Now, there the 4 sensors in, nicely done. We don't need to worry about height, so therefore the 4 sensors have got their standard collars on. But I will show you where we fit the buzzer, because quite a few customers do ask about this, and that's good, because it just goes to show that we have a lot of customers that are fussy about what their vehicle is going to look like. Now, we are specialists in what we do here. We are very neat and tidy. We take a great deal of pride and joy in the work that we do. So that little black thing up there is the buzzer, very much in keeping with the rest of the vehicle. You can't see the cable, it's fitted. You wouldn't even know that that didn't come from factory. There's a little button underneath. I'm just going to point to it now, and that little button here has low, medium and high, so that when the vehicle is being maneuvered and the engine is running, then you can hear the sensor or hear the buzzer perfectly from the driver's seat, which we're about to test right now. So once we have fitted the box and put everything away, we know that as soon as the engine is running or the ignition is switched on, you can put it into reverse gear and the sensors will come live. But if we were fitting the front parking sensors in addition to the rear ones, which we're not on this occasion, then the rear sensors will be connected to the front sensors by the reverse trigger. So for instance, in this particular installation, these sensors will only ever come live when you put the vehicle into reverse. But if you have the front parking sensors, it works on the actual foot brake down next to the clutch and the accelerator, or it works when you put the vehicle into reverse. Right, so Jason's sat in the front. Jason's going to put the vehicle into reverse as we speak. Okay, so hopefully you can see the reverse light on the back of the vehicle. Now, because I'm stood slightly outside the range of the parking sensors, which is normally about 1.5 meters, if I was to just move forward a tiny bit, okay, so the sensors now will then pick up that obstacle wherever it is. I could be a long bar or low fence or a pavement, or I could be one bollard on its own. And if I was to move towards the vehicle, save the vehicle moving back to me, hopefully in the background you can hear the buzzer. The buzzer is getting faster and faster. So if I move in a little bit more, the buzzer's getting even more excited and getting more of a continuous tone. When we get to our flat line, that's 30 centimeters. So the sensors will absolutely flatline at 30 centimeters and you will get your continuous tone. Now, as you can hear, the buzzer's really, really loud. If you are really good with your hearing, you can turn it down. If you're hard of hearing, you can turn it up. Either way, when you're now reversing this vehicle, I'm just going to move away. When you're reversing this vehicle, you can do it with peace of mind and confidence. So this is the Parking sensors for the camper van or for the motorhome. These are on our website. We supply and fit them on a very regular basis, and absolutely fantastic. 4 parking sensors fitted with an audible buzzer, job done. Website links in the bio. If you've got any questions, fill out the contact form. If you're interested in the parking sensors at the rear or parking sensors at the front and rear, then do get in touch with us. If you don't already subscribe to our channel, then make sure you do. Have a good day.